In this video, I'll show you how you can add Roblox to your game status on Discord. Now, first what you want to do is you want to make sure you have Roblox opened, otherwise it cannot detect the game. Then you want to go to user settings, scroll down until you find activity, privacy. Make sure this one up here is enabled, so make sure it's green. Then go to registered games, and in here you want to make sure Roblox, and you want to make sure this one is gray. Now, if this one is red, it's not working, so make sure it's gray. After that, it should say Roblox is playing up here. If you still cannot find it up here, you can press edit by clicking here, scroll down until you find the Roblox in here and select it. Now, obviously I already have it selected, so I cannot find it here because mine is right here, but that's basically how it works. Now, once you've done that, it should say playing up here, and as you can see on my profile, it says playing Roblox right now. So that's how you can do it on Discord. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.